Hey there, so I'm just going to quickly go over the scheduling, show you how that works. So we go to our settings, and we go to our schedules, and we get a menu for all our schedule types. Over here you can see our light schedules. I won't get into that as they're tied into the light modes, so just go watch that video and you'll see how they work. We'll get into the other 5 types. They're all the same, so when you see one, you see them all. So we'll go to our AC outlets. First you get a list of all the schedules that are already set up. Over here we have our schedule ID number, which doesn't mean a lot, but it's just a reference. We've got a port and name. The first is the power bar number, then the outlet number, and a custom name. So you can change bar 204 to anything you like. So this is power bar 2, outlet 4, 2, outlet 1, power bar 1, outlet 3, 2, 1, 1, 3. So we can sort this list also. Right now it's a mess. So let's go by there. Now we can see that the power bars are and numbers are together. We can change it. Sorry about that. That's how you edit it. If you touch one of these lines in the port and name, you can edit it. So let's do 2-1 on. So we touch that, and we can see that's 2-1, and that was our on schedule at 9 AM. You can change it. As soon as you make a change, you get the save button, and you can save it. We'll just cancel that. And back to our sorting. So we can sort ascending, descending, any of the columns. We've got a delete column here. If I touch this, we get an X and a delete button, so we can delete these schedules if we want, or select it and it disappears. So let's create a new schedule. So we go to our outlet. First we get our power bar 1, hit next, we get power bar 2 and all the outlets for it. If you had another one, it would show up to 8 of them. So let's select one, outlet 6. So we've got 4 schedule types. We've got always on, and our save button showed up. We could save it and we'd be done. Turn on. So now we've got a time. We want this to turn on at 5. Touch that and you can change the minutes now. Touch it again, you can go back to hours. So let's turn this on at 5:30. Repeat. This is for advanced scheduling. You could repeat this, say 3 times every hour. So at 5:30 it'll turn on, 6:30 it'll turn on, 7:30 and 8:30. Reason you might want to do that is you have a custom rule turning this outlet off and you want it to turn back on, so you can get creative. But typically you'll leave that at 0 and now select the days. Notice we don't have a save button yet because we haven't selected what days we want this to run. So we can go number of days, every 7 days, 8 days, 9 days, whatever, up to 999, a little extreme, but hey. Or you can select the days a week. And if you mark them all, that's every day. Take one off, save it, and there you can see it. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. Let's just delete that. And it's gone. DC accessories, same thing. You got your list of current ones, and you can create and pick the accessory you want to create it for, and you get your scheduling screen. Dosing pump, same thing. We're going to turn one on at Monday and Thursday, and then one every 10 days. Feeder, same thing. When do we want to run our feeder? Every day at 7 PM. And maintenance, if you want to start up maintenance, you set a schedule if you like. And finally, we've got view all upcoming schedules. So we go into there, and there's a list of all the schedules that are coming up. And you can see this is turning off later tonight at 9 PM, and then on tomorrow, on, and you can see finally our dosing pump, that's not going to start up again until April 30th at 6 PM. So there we have it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to thumbs up, and if you subscribe, you'll get notifications when we release new videos. Thanks again.